You can literally burst your own damn throat by holding in a sneeze. No joke. Doctors have seen cases where someone tried to be polite, stifled a big one, and ended up with a ripped throat, air trapped in their neck, or even a ruptured eardrum. Like, what the hell, man? Your body built that sneeze like a loaded shotgun, and you thought, let me just shut this thing down manually. That's like grabbing the barrel of a bazooka and hoping it'll whisper. Sneezing is your body's way of launching bad shit out, not keeping it inside like emotional trauma. Let it rip. Scream if you have to. Just don't seal the pressure like a dumbass science experiment gone wrong. Gesundheit, bitch.